9 in March 8, 2022.
So yung property registered under the name Willie Ong sold to he sold this property to Empire.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, so parang ano lang 'yon. Okay, so sige, thank you LRA. Thank you. SEC, do we have a representative from SEC? Okay, in the last hearing, if you remember, we also asked the SEC to take immediate action doon sa cancellation ng registration ng Empire 999. Can you update us as to what SEC has done so far?
Yesterday, the Enforcement and Investigation Protection Department of the SEC has issued the order of revocation for Empire 999,
So, na-revoke na.
and as a result, um, the principal incorporators as well as the directors of Empire 999 are disqualified from being trustees or directors of any corporation.
Okay, so in the light of a revocation ng registration ni Empire 999, what will now happen to the properties owned by Empire 999?
Considering that the registration has already been revoked, the assets of the corporation will undergo liquidation proceedings.
In this
Mr. Chair.
case, who will liquidate? None of the incorporators can be located.
Considering that this is involuntary and that we assume that the board of directors would not be too keen on liquidating the properties themselves, as they have already are not appearing during the deliberations, then uh, the Office of the Solicitor General may institute SG proceedings in order to pursue the liquidation of assets of the
Okay,
corporation.
so who will now make the move?
We will forward this order of liquidation to all the relevant agencies so that they will be given information of
Okay, kasi
this
we don't want to hear again a reason that we don't know na pwede pala yun, no? Just like what NBI is saying. They don't know that a mere complaint is already sufficient for the Anti-Money Laundering Council to take action. So kayo, SEC, you have to inform the appropriate agency so that they can also take action, correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair. We will
And
comply.
wag nyo nang tagalan at baka maubos na yung mga ano na yan. Do you have a list of the assets and properties of the Empire 999? Do you know that they have more or less 300 certificate of land titles? Tama ba? 300? 343?
We only have the copy of the annual financial statement, which was filed in 2022. It only shows the consolidated value of assets, but we do not have the complete
Specifics.
listing of the specific assets under the name of the corporation.
Okay.
Mr.
sige.
Chair.
Thank you, SEC.
Mr. Chair, Mr.
Congressman Acop, and then Congressman Dan Fernandez, and then Congressman Keith Flores.
This is in relation to your question. SEC, may I know the basis why you canceled the registration of the corporation?
This was based on PD 902, or the SEC Reorganization Act, wherein the registration of the corporation may be revoked for fraud in the procurement of registration and unauthorized activities. This is based on the fact that they misrepresented their principal place of business. We received certifications from the World Trade Center condominium in Binondo, where they manifested that they are located, and they certified that Empire 999 is not a registered tenant. So this was used as one of the basis for the revocation. We also found that they they registered the corporation as a real estate development company. But when we checked with the PRC, with the DSHOD, and PCAB, they do not have the requisite licenses to operate as a real estate development company. And they do not um, manifest in their reports with the SEC that they have the requisite licenses to do so, contrary to their statement with the SEC that their purpose is real estate development. So based on that ground, they misrepresented to the SEC the things that they could not do.
Yeah. In the last hearing, I do not know if you were the representative in the last hearing. Were you?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And you told this committee that you started your investigation and you have issued show cause orders. Tama?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Matanong ko lang, sila po ba ay humarap o nagbigay ng sagot sa inyong show cause orders?
Uh, they did not appear in our
So, parehas din ang nangyari sa amin dito.
yes, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Congressman
Yes.
Fernandez.
Sa SEC, no, a while ago you were telling us that if dissolved and those incorporators are nowhere to be found, the action that will be taken by the SEC is for the liquidation of all those properties of that corporation. Am I right?
Yes, the next step after the revocation would be the liquidation of the
And
properties.
it is under your policy that such undertaking will be done by the SEC or any other agency of the government.
The liquidation proceedings is already outside the jurisdiction of the commission. So it is with the jurisdiction of the regular courts, Mr. Chair.
But so it's not under your policy that you will initiate the liquidation of those properties.
We will coordinate with the relevant agencies for the initiation of proper proceedings,
And with
Mr.
all
Chair.
these properties that we are talking about, have you started the initiation?
The order of revocation was just issued yesterday, Mr. Chair. We will expeditiously
And all other
um,
and all other
follow the next steps
Okay.
towards the recovery of the properties.
and all other companies that were mentioned by this committee, like the Golden Sun 999, the Pullwind Group of companies, the Pile Estate Group of corporations, and the holding companies. Are these under the same consideration with Empire 999?
The related companies are still pending investigation. We're just waiting for various certifications from other agencies so that we can issue the necessary
Kasi,
orders.
Sec, these are all interrelated. These companies have all the same incorporators as those of the Empire 999. You should have integrated the proceeding to expedite the action taken by the SEC. Will you kindly do that for the benefit of the Filipino people? SEC. Dapat consolidate nyo na yan kasi isa to eh. Nag-i-interlink sila eh.
I presume that the case was not consolidated because they have different circumstances and different grounds. The revocation was issued as regards Empire 999 because we were able to